Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your laptop stuck on the hibernating screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Sort your view by in the top right by large icons, and then you want to select power options on the right side here. For whatever plan is currently selected, select the change plan settings option or hyperlink, and then select change advanced power settings. Select where it says restore plan defaults, select yes, and then select OK. And then once that is done, you want to go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved and you should be able to hibernate. Once again, it shouldn't be hanging up your computer. So this should hopefully have been a pretty straightforward process for you to follow. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.